Female lions do more than 90% of the hunting, while the male lions simply prefer to rest most of the time. The eggs of a hummingbird are the size of a pea. When hatched, the baby bird is about an inch long and weighs about one-third of the weight of a US dime. The lion's mane jellyfish is the largest species of jellyfish. They can reach a width of 8 feet and their tentacles can reach a whopping 122 feet in length. A lion's roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away. The blue whale is the largest creature to ever live on Earth. A typical blue whale tips the scales at a whopping 170 tons, which is the combined weight of 22 elephants. Its heart is the same size as a small car, and its largest blood vessels are wide enough for an adult human being to crawl through without much difficulty. Sea otters sometimes hold each other's hands to prevent themselves from drifting away while they're sleeping. In a single day, a queen bee can lay up to 1,500 eggs. Leaf insects take on the appearance of leaves, even rocking back and forth when they are walking to imitate a real leaf blowing in the wind. A goldfish will lose its color if they are kept in dim lighting or they are placed in a body of running water, such as a stream. The purple frog spends most of their time of the year on the ground, only surfacing for 2 weeks during the monsoon rainy season in order to mate. Dolphins have been trained to turn in trash from the water in exchange for being fed fish. One dolphin took this further and was smart enough to hide paper under a rock, tearing off small pieces of the paper in order to get more fish. A chicken loses its feathers when it becomes stressed. Koalas rarely drink water. They basically get enough fluids just from the leaves from the eucalyptus tree. A honeybee strokes its wings 11,500 times per minute. Snakes and lizards shed their skins when they grow. Scientists believe that dinosaurs may have done the same also. Catfish have over 100,000 taste buds, while human beings have about 10,000 and the average chicken has only 24. What a clucker. Marine iguanas can stay submerged underwater for up to 30 minutes. The world's largest bat is the giant golden-crowned flying fox. It is a rare fruit bat with a wingspan of 5 to 6 feet. The world's fattest house cat weighed 39.6 pounds. Elephants can communicate by using sound waves which are below normal human hearing. They also can communicate with each other by vibrations caused by impacts on the ground's surface. The smallest known chameleon, Bokecia micra from the islet of Nozihara, Madagascar, reaches a maximum of 1.1 inches in length. Cows and horses sleep while standing up. A cow can give far more milk than a human being can consume in their entire lifetime. That's a whopping 200,000 glasses full of milk. Scientists have attached stilts to the legs of ants to prove that ants reach their goals by counting their steps. The ants fitted with stilts walked past their goal due to the extra length of their walking strides. Howler monkeys spend up to 80% of their time resting. The fastest underwater swimming bird is the gentoo penguin. They're able to swing up to 22 miles per hour. A giraffe's tongue grows to 21 inches in length. Crickets taste like roasted nuts. Scorpions taste like shrimp. And termites have a minty taste. When a hippopotamus stays out of the water for too long, it secretes a red-colored sweat to protect itself from the sun. Bears can live as long as 30 years in the wild. There was once a brown bear in captivity who lived to the age of 47 years. The New Zealand kiwi bird cannot fly. Parrots are the best known birds on Earth. There are about 315 species of parrots found worldwide, both in rainforests and other natural environments. The average life expectancy of an ant is about 90 days. Sharks are capable of going at least 6 weeks without having a meal. The record observed by researchers was a species of sharks going a full 15 months without eating. The species is called swell sharks. To make 1 teaspoonful of honey, it takes 12 bees their entire lifespan. Many animals swallow rocks, such as crocodiles, chickens, penguins, and seals. It is theorized that the rock swallowing helps them to crush and digest their foods better. In captivity, donkeys can live between 35 to 50 years. The largest fish in the world is the whale shark. It weighs several tons and can grow to more than 50 feet in length. In the USA, roughly 1.4 million cats and 1.2 million dogs are put to death annually. There are more than 19 million camels presently in the world. If a lobster loses a claw or an eye, it usually regrows a new one. A starfish can turn its stomach inside out. The male Darwin's frog keeps his tadpoles in his vocal sac until they develop into frogs. He then coughs them up. A honeybee has 4 wings. The head of a jellyfish is called a bell. Thank you for listening. Please subscribe to my channel. The channel subscription link is in the video description below.